crack of the back as you turn to the left or right isn't always enough to cure what ails you. Oft times I'd rather take my head for a walk, bus ride, or journey on the rails. Sometimes, just sometimes, travelling to friends is enough to prevent the blues. You tell me? No, I don't think so. Anyways, Monday night, I completed a mission I'd wanted to complete for weeks. I got gifted a PC that's about the specs of a laptop, but would play films on AVI. So I'd obtained the right codecs and found it needed DirectX. Well, through my friend, who helps others, needless to say, no one helped me acquire what he needed, except me. Well, when I finally left, he could watch Diary of the Dead, which I'd left on his desktop. Then later, I called on Simon. I wanted to relearn what it's like to be the only one with tobacco in a room full of potheads. The journey home had been fun. Anyway, Wednesday morning had been out with the yellow marigold gloves again, so I could trim the privet hedge out front. Now, that was tiring, but I got it finished before the rain began to fall. Thank God.